In this video, we're looking at the section where we're continuing to build our confidence with subtraction, especially with some large numbers, as well as with patterning. So just ask us to complete the pattern. I like it because it's also getting us to think algebraically. 8 minus what equals 2. Hopefully you can think what, and this is where that difference comes in. The difference between 8 and 2 is 6. So 8 minus 6 is 2. So what's the difference between 80 and 20? 80 minus 60 is 20. Notice the similarity or the pattern related to the number of zeros. Obviously in this first one, the first line here, we don't have any zeros. Then we have 1 0. 80 minus 60 is 20. So I hope you're picking up on the pattern. 800 minus 600 equals 200. 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 zeros. 8,000 minus 6,000 equals 2,000. Same concept, different numbers. 6 take away what equals 4. Think about the difference between 6 and 4. It's 2. So 6 minus 2 equals 4. 60 minus 20 equals 40. 600 minus 200 equals 400. 6,000 minus 2,000 equals 4,000. And 60,000 minus 20,000 equals 40,000. Last example, this time they're getting us to fill in the answer. 9 minus 1 is 8, so 9,000 minus 1,000 is 8,000, and 90,000 minus 10,000 is 80,000. That's it. Good luck with this section.